Okay, hey guys. So this is going to be an example from iXL. It's R9. So you'll be assigned that this week. And the instructions say to find the measure of angle S. So now we're looking for angle measures. So if we're looking at angle S here, what I want you to do is look at what you're given. So according to angle S, we're given the adjacent, right? And you also are given the hypotenuse. So then we think of our good old friend, Chief Sohcahtoa. And what part of her name deals with adjacent and hypotenuse? Yes, cosine. And so what we're going to do here is the cosine of S equals, right here, adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be square root of 30 over 2 times the square root of 15. Okay? We can simplify this just because we can. You actually wouldn't have to because you can plug this right into the calculator. But let's simplify this down to cosine S, equals, and 30 can be divided by 15 since they're both under the radical. So we end up with square root of 2, 15 goes into 30 twice, over 2. Now remember, when you're looking for the angle, we're trying to find the measure of S. We need to undo that cosine or inverse cosine. And so the measure of angle S is going to equal the inverse cosine of square root of 2 divided by 2. So you go to that great calculator, turn it on, and you hit second cosine. So you should see, I don't know if you can see that, but cosine to the -1, that's inverse cosine. And then we do second square root, so you can get the square root of 2, hit a space so you get out from under the square root of 2, divide it by 2, close parenthesis, enter. And S equals 45 degrees. And you're all set. Remember, if your calculator is not in degree mode, you might get some kind of crazy decimal. And then you might remember, I've got to put it in degree mode. So I hope that helps with the iXL R9. Great job.